After concelebrating Mass with the Holy Father at Casa Santa Marta, all members of the Pakistan Catholic Bishops' Conference met in private with Pope Francis. The group is in Rome for its ad limina visit, which takes place every 5 years. During their brief encounter with the Pope, the bishops reviewed the current situation in the country and provided updates on their mission. To express their gratitude, the bishops also presented Pope Francis with this rug, which was painstakingly crafted.
Pakistan è stato fatto a mano.
The visit wouldn't have been complete without an invitation for the Holy Father to visit Pakistan. The bishops say talks are likely to begin following the country's general elections in July.